the future sample. Okay, in A1 you have two future tenses. First we already done the future prosh, and this is the second one, the future sample. Okay, so the future sample when be used. Okay, when future sample is used when we have to tell about the timing we don't know. Okay, for example, I will go to Paris. Okay, but I didn't mention the time. When will I go? Okay, I can go after 1 year. Okay, but if I said I will go Paris tomorrow, okay, that means it's a near future. I can use future prosh. Okay, but here I didn't mention the time. I just said I will go to Paris. Okay, it can be any time. Okay, so future sample either it used for far future or the recent future, means near future. Okay, but we don't use this future sample for near future because we already have future prosh for near future, but it can be used to both of them, far future and near future both. Okay. Let's see the formation now. Subject plus verb plus object. Okay, how make future sample? Okay, first take the whole verb, any verb, er, ir, re. Okay, for example, I'll take manger verb. Okay, to eat. Okay, then I'll put avoir ending. Mangerai, mangera, mangera, mangeront, mangerai, mangeront. Okay, this is the avoir ending. Okay, just take any verb. Okay, whole verb. Manger like. Then here it means I will eat. You will eat. He will, she will eat. We will eat. You will eat. They will eat. Je mangerai, tu mangerais, il mangerait, nous mangerons, vous mangerez, il mange. Done. Okay, let's see some exceptions, because in this tense we have lot of exception also. First is your adverb. Okay, I'll just write one word conjugation. Okay, then you will conjugate. For example, I told you is take a verb, then put the avoir ending. Okay, for adverb it will be scr, then put the avoir ending. Je serai, tu seras, il sera, nous serons, vous serez, ils seront.
What is Sarah?
Sarah, it will be I will be. Okay, athir means to be, right?
Yes. This I will be.
Hmm.
This what is this? This I ray.
If
Ire
to
what?
go, I will go. Ire.
Ire.
Hmm.
It's I would ray means I would like to. I
Where?
would ray means
Would I
so I
would
would
or I
like.
want to. I will. It's like I would. Okay, because won't become would in future.
This is one word. After the last word is
Yes,
where
one year. VER. It's one year verb and its future sample will be VERRAI. Done?
Done.
Okay, so this is future Sam. Okay, future tense. Let's do one exercise. Then we will do our last tense that left.
What is this? Our film say? Swat.
Saswar this
Oh,
evening.
yes. That is, what is this? The third Dwaplu part, TARD.
Yes, TARD. Hmm.
What is the seven? Angati
A
Pol
gato pour la
Gato
fête means a cake for the party.
Purla
Fête.
F FET Fete.
Fête means party or festival, but here it means party.
the three? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one is I'm confusing in the fifth one. Fifth and sixth and the last eighth one.
In fifth one, you have to conjugate with avoir verb.
Avoir.
Okay, I wrote here avoir will be ore. Okay, so you have to conjugate first. What should come with ja? It's you have to
A.
just ja, na? It will be ore only.
Yes.
Aurai.
AURAI.
Okay, and fifth one will be no.
Sixth.
Sixth one will be ale. I told you ale will be ire. Okay, so
Ire.
first you will conjugate with the new form.
No.
Okay,
Means
just
E.
write
E.
IR, then put the avoir ending.
Ire means Iran.
It will be iro. Same will be with eighth one.
Eighth one.
Ale.
One, two. Ire. IREZ.
IREZ. Yes.
Z. Z. That is right. Z. The first one is Mangerai. 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 Mangerai.
MANGERAI. Yeah.
I. And second one is Regarderon. Means Regarderons.
Hmm.
Third one is Finira. FINIRAS.
Finita. Yes.
And fourth one is Juron. JUJOURRONT.
JOUERONT. ER is ER in the end.
What does it mean? Juron. I will go.
I will
I will
play
play.
football in evening.
Sunday means
Evening.
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
And the fifth one is Aurai. Aurai.
Hmm.
AURAI. And the sixth
So
one is
Lane Proshan means next year I will be uh, 20 years old.
yes. And sixth one is Iron. IRON. Iron.
Hmm.
Iron.
Dimanche means
And
Sunday we will go to the plage is like a beach. We will go to beach.
Flash means beach.
Beach.
And the seventh one is Feron. FERONT.
Hmm. She will make a cake for sorry she need they will
Party.
make a cake for the party.
Party. Who's Ire? IREZ. Z.
Yeah, is that. Hey, you will go to the cinema
Cinema
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Okay. It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now let's see the last tense.